Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the imbalanced data. Basically we will discuss what is the imbalanced data and what are the problems that we cause when the data is imbalanced data. Those things and also how we can resolve the imbalanced data effect. Those things we will discuss in this video. Let's start with what is imbalanced data first. We generally see the imbalanced data effect only for the when we have data is a classification data. For example, let's consider we have two classification data. We have positive class and a negative class. And for the positive class, we have 1,000 points data points, but for the negative class, we only have 100 data points. In this scenario, we have 1:10 ratio data points are there compared to the positive with negative. At that time we will tell this data is a imbalanced data. That means generally if the data for the one class is more compared to the another class, then we will generate this is a imbalanced data. And how its effect on the model, let's see that's one also. For suppose we have data points like this. These are the positive points. Let's consider. For the positive class, we have more number of points. Now let's consider negative points. We have only 4 that time. Now if let's take KNN with K value, let us take 11 as the K value. When K value is considered as 11 at the time, when correspond XQ came, it will classify only as a positive class because we only have 4 points here, and remaining points we will get only from the positive class. By this way, this any point when we want to get the class of the query point, it will classify as a positive class because here we have positive 4 points belong to negative and the remaining 7 points belongs to the positive class. By using the majority based approach, we will classify this query point belongs to the positive class. By this way, any query point we given, that point is classified as a positive class because of this data is imbalanced data. Now let us see some few approaches to overcome this problem. First approach is a undersampling. Let's go with that one. Undersampling. In the undersampling, let's go with some data. Let's consider for the positive class we have 1,000 points, and for the negative class we have only 100 points. In the undersampling approach, we have this one is a majority class, this is a minority class. We'll reduce the majority class number of points in the majority class to the minority class number of points. That is, here 1,000 points, here we will remove the 900 points from this data. By removing, we only get the 100 points, and here also we have 100 points. We will consider the 100 points from this class and 100 points which are there in the negative class. By this way, we can avoid the imbalance effect. But the problem here, we are going to lose some information. Actually, we have thousands of 1,000 points. By removing 900 points, we are losing some information about the things, classes. This is not a good way generally. Let's see one more approach. Let's go with oversampling approach. And the oversampling, let's also consider here also we have for the positive class we have 1,000 points, and for the negative class we have 100 points. It's quite opposite to the undersampling. Here we have majority class is positive class and minority class is a negative class. In the oversampling approach, these 100 points we are going to make 1000 points. Minority points we are going to make majority points, equal number of points which are there in the majority class. How we can make, we do the repetitions of these points. We have 100 points and we do repeat those points. Like for example, we have, these are the positive class points, suppose, and we have, these are the negative points. Here we have 7 points are there, here only 2 points are there. We will repeat these points by repeating one time. Now we have 4 points. Once again we will repeat. Now we have 6 points. Now repeat one more point, this one, and now we have 7 points for this class and 7 points for this class. This is the oversampling approach. Let's see one more approach. The another approach is extrapolation. In the extrapolation, we are going to create the artificial points. Let's see how we can create those points. For suppose, for the this consider a positive points, positive data points. These are the positive class, and these are the negative class points. Now in the extrapolation, in the oversampling we will create the points, same points we are repeating, but in the extrapolation we create artificial points like this. By creating these artificial points, and this number of points in the both class going to be same. This is another approach. And let's see one more approach is weighted based approach. In the class weighting approach, let's consider we have, for the positive points we have 1000 points are there for positive class, and for the negative class we have only 100 points. Here in the weighted approach we will give more weight to the minority class, and that means less weight to the majority class. Here for the positive class we are going to give the weight 1, and for the negative class we are going to give the weight 10. By this way, by giving the more weight to the negative class, we can avoid this imbalance effect also. Okay, this is the major 4 technique to avoid to overcome the problem of the imbalanced data.